I hate when people say the name of the year to me to win an argument. Like, hey Chris, it's 2019, all right? And then the rest of my sentence. You know, I hate that. It's like you're not smarter than me. I've been paying attention to the years as well. Like, I know what year it is. I know what year it has been. People are like, oh look, it's 2019. We need gender neutral bathrooms. We always needed those. In 1940, we needed them. You know what I mean? I'm like, you're not smart. You're not smarter than me. I know we need those things. It's not the future. I'm sick of it. Stop it. It's also like, because we have Roomba. Is that why it's the future? Because Roomba is going around doing its thing. Roomba. Get rid of Roomba, by the way. You know what Roomba is? It is the government mapping your apartment. It's going around. And it's uploading, oh my god, it knows where your fingernails are. It knows what your DNA, it knows where your semen is kept. On the dusty ground, it's rehydrating semen and it's uploading it to the cloud. Get Roomba out of here. I don't like robots. Get them out of here. Roomba. It's a fun word to say. I don't know. Look, I'm old-fashioned. My watch has clickety-clacks on it. I use candles. I don't like it when I get somebody delivered something to my house. Somebody delivered something to my house, and I had to sign for it. But instead of a pen and a paper, he handed me a stylus, which is a vape pen that doesn't make smoke, and a calculator screen to sign it with. And I don't like that. I can't. It doesn't look like my signature when I use those tools. I have to straighten my back and go, block letters. But no matter what, it gets uploaded to the cloud, and when I get emailed my signature, it looks like, have you seen the Ebola virus zoomed in? That's what it looks like! Speak on? You ever mess up a joke so bad you want to leave the business? Happens to me every single day of my life. Don't know how I wake up. How do I do it? Because I'm sick of my bed. I'm sick of my bed! Gotta get one of these Endy mattresses. Endy. Promo code Lisa. Take that, you sons of bitch. Promo code Casper. Fuck off. Speaking of Ebola, do you guys remember, it's really funny to me when there's like a boogeyman of a virus going around, and on the news, they have to talk, H1N1, SARS, whatever, the list goes on. And on the news, they've got to talk about it. They've got to report the virus. They've got to report it. It's funny to me sometimes, though, that when they're talking about the virus, they put a picture of the virus zoomed in at 10,000 times, like you and I are going to recognize it in a while. Oh my god, I saw that guy at the airport! I gotta call the hotline! There's a guy going around killing balloon animals? Because I don't get it. Oh, good. We're almost there. Here's one. This is a spicy meatball. I am trying to, I'm trying to have some of the sex that's out there. There's sex out there! Yeah, it gets blue. We're getting blue. I'm trying to have some sex that's out there. I'm on the apparatuses, I'm on the applications, the swipes. I'm swiping, baby! But you know what? I have a very interesting perspective. I'm a brother. I am a brother. You guys hear about us? My perspective, I think, as a brother, look, everyone's perspective is unique and great, and we should have a round table of all of us. Different brothers, sisters, and all the other names that are family members for other races and peoples. I don't know, we'll figure it out. We're not doing it tonight. But here's my take. And it's a very cute take, so don't come after me. I think it's cute, and I think you'll like it. I don't discriminate on the swipes. If you have a face and a body, I'm like, whoa! Yeah, I'm with it. But if it's a picture of a cloud, I flush my phone down the nearest toilet. It's done. If it's one picture and it's your dog, don't get me wrong, I love dogs, but I will, frisbee my phone into the sun. I don't like that. Put a picture of your face and body, and I'm like, horn dogs and corn dogs. Love them. That's what I am. But here's one thing I've noticed. Oh, don't come after me for this. Do not come after me. I have noticed that there is a certain type of lady on there that makes me insane. I am okay. Don't worry. We're gonna get there. I'm your friend. I am your friend. There's a certain type of lady, and it's not everybody. There is a certain type of white lady. Don't worry, it's not all of them. Just some. And there's a certain type of white lady. Very few of them, but it happens all the time. Where it's a picture on their profile. There's a few pictures, and one of the pictures is of them. I guess they're on sabbatical because they're surrounded by black children. I guess they're on a trip. They're like, oh, look at the work that I'm doing. 8 or 9 black children, and they're like, oh, look at the work look at God's work that I'm doing. I think it's funny that I've never matched with that lady. Think about it. Who's that picture for? If it's not for me. We're signaling to the highest degree. What are you doing? Look at this, Chris. No, not you. It's not for you. I'm not for you. These kids are my kids. These kids are for me. I don't like that one bit. If you have a picture like that on your Tinder or Bumble, look, you're trying to get dick or pussy on this thing. I can't say the words. Dick or pussy. I don't know. If you have a picture like that on your profile, you have to swipe right. You have to like every brother that likes you. I'm not saying you have to go on a date with them. Just make it so that my phone goes, thumbs up. And I'm like, yeah, I can go take a walk. Anyway, look, I'm hard on the ladies that do that. I guess they don't want to take their work home with them. It's very upsetting. Anyway.